Good morning, grade 8. We have seen first question, that is finding the volume of cylinder from set 16.3. Let's go for question number 2. I'll read it for you. How much iron is needed to make a rod of length 90 centimeters and diameter 1.4 centimeter? Now see, you have to make a rod. That means it is a solid rod, isn't it? So you need to find over here volume of a rod. And shape of rod is nothing but it's a cylinder. So we have given is what? Length is 90 centimeters. So height of the rod, length means height, no? See, if this is the rod, then height of the rod or length of the rod is nothing but height. Height becomes 90 centimeters and diameter is 1.4. So this diameter is this complete. It is diameter is 1.4 centimeter. Now see, if diameter is 1.4, how much would be radius? Radius is half of the diameter. So radius is diameter upon 2. It would be 1.4 upon 2, which is equal to 0.7 centimeters. I hope this is clear. Now let us find volume. So amount of, first you should write amount of iron needed is equal to volume of rod, and rod is equal to cylinder. Shape of rod is same as cylinder. So volume of cylinder, we have seen area of base is pi r square into height, because base of cylinder is circle. So let us substitute 22 upon 7 into radius is how much? 0.7 square into 90. Okay, so what do we get? 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 0.7 into 90. 7 ones are and 7 ones are 7, so 0.1. So we are left with 22 into 0.1 into 0.7 into 90 can be written as 9 into 10. So by 10 if I am multiplying with 0.1 into 10 is 1. Okay, so we are left with 22. So multiplication of these two is 1. If you multiply 1 by 10, answer would be 10, and after 1 number point is coming, and therefore answer would be 1. See, no, 0.1 into 10. So that is 10 ones are 10, and after 1 point is coming. 1.0 is 1. Okay, into we are left with 0.7 into 9. So ideally we have 22 into 7 nines are 63. After one number point is there. So we have 63 into 22, 6.3. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 6 are 12. 6, 2 and 1. So 6, here we have 8, here we have 3 and here we have 1. After 1 point is there. So how much iron is needed? Volume is given by cubic units. So we have 138.6 centimeter cube. This much amount of iron is needed to make the rod. I hope it is clear. Alright. Let's go for the next question. Question number 3. Please solve by yourself and then cross check with the video. You need not copy always. Alright. And calculations, please be very specific with this. It is mandatory to do the calculations, but do it on your right hand side of your notebook. Make one column. Here you will be having margin as it is. Here you make one more margin. Write your rough or calculation and do these calculations over there. Is this clear? Do not miss out calculations. Let's go for question 3 now. Now look at third problem. How much water will a tank hold if the interior diameter of a tank is 1.6 meter? See, this is a tank. Interior diameter is 1.6 meter and its depth is 0.7 meter. Depth is this much. It is 0.7 meter. Now see, inner diameter is given and depth is given. That means this is height. How much water it will hold? Nothing but you are going to calculate the volume of the tank. Shape of the tank is nothing but cylinder. So let us write down first. Diameter is 1.6 meter. So radius would be 1.6 upon 2, which is equal to 0.8 meters. We know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 0.8 meter would be 0.8 into 100. This comes out to be 80 centimeters. So this is your radius. So radius we got, radius is equal to 0.8 meter, which is equal to 80 centimeter. Similarly depth, depth is height. So height is equal to 0.7 meter, which is equal to 0.7 into 100, which is equal to 70 centimeters. Why I have converted into centimeters? Because conversion of centimeter cube into liter is easier. We want to find the capacity. We can calculate in terms of meter cube also. But water means it is to be found out in liter. That is more convenient. Otherwise, you have three options. You can find volume in meter cube or in centimeter cube or in terms of liters. Alright. Okay. So now let's go for it. Volume of cylinder would be equal to pi r square into h. So we have pi r square into h. So this would give you 22 by 7 into radius is 80 centimeters. So it's square into height is 70 centimeters. 7 ones are and 7 tens are. So this is as good as 22 into 80 into 80 into 10. Okay, so we have 22, 8 8s are 64 and these two zeros, and again into 10 means one more zero. So let us multiply 64 into 22. Okay, if you do 64 into 22, it comes out to be 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12. Same numbers would be repeating. You get 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. 1408. So this is equal to 1408 and 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 centimeter cube. So this is your answer. But you know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So we have 1408000 centimeter cube is equal to how many liters? Or we can write here x. Okay, if you multiply, you have 1 into 1408000 is equal to x into 1000. So what would be x? X would be 1408000 divided by 1000. 3 zeros, 3 zeros. Now you got this in terms of liters. So you have 1408 liters. Is this clear? Okay, 1408 liters. I hope it is clear. Now let's go for fourth question. You may pause the video and take it down. Okay. Now let's go for fourth problem. The question is, find the volume of a cylinder if circumference of cylinder is 132 centimeters and height is 25 centimeters. So circumference is given, height is given, you have to find volume. To find volume, if you look at volume of cylinder, we need radius and height. Height is there but radius is not there. So how to find radius? With the help of circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r. So substitute 132 is 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R I am keeping at this side and these two quantities I am shifting. So what is in numerator will go to denominator and denominator will go to numerator. 2 ones and 2 66 are, 22 ones are 22, 3s are 66, 3 sevens are 21. Your radius is 21. Now you substitute. Pi r square into h is volume of cylinder. Pi is 22 by 7, radius square, 21 square into height is 25. Okay, so 21 into 21 square means 7 ones are, 7 threes are. So we are left with 22. 3 into 25 is 75 and this 21 as it is. So first I have multiplied 75 into 21. I got 575 and then I have multiplied it with 22. Then I got 34,650. So 34,650 centimeter cube, or you can write it as 34,650 cubic centimeter. Both are correct. Centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. Is this clear? So that's all from my side for today, students. Thank you.